4 AI coding secrets that senior developers know, but they won't tell you. Secret number 1. They don't write boilerplate anymore. Every repetitive pattern, every CRUD endpoint, every form validation. AI handles it. Senior devs haven't typed boilerplate in months. They describe what they need and review what AI generates. Secret number 2. They review AI code instead of writing code from scratch. The skill isn't writing anymore. It's reading, evaluating, and refining. They catch edge cases, security issues, and performance problems that AI misses. That's the real value. Secret number 3. They chain prompts like pipelines. Instead of one giant prompt, they break tasks into steps. Generate the schema, then generate the API, then generate the tests. Each prompt builds on the last. It's systematic, not random. Secret number 4. They iterate fast. First draft from AI is never final. They refine, adjust, and improve in rapid cycles. 3 iterations in 10 minutes beats 1 perfect attempt in an hour. The difference between junior and senior AI users? Seniors learn to direct AI, not compete with it. More at End of Coding.